Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Tawa veggie pizza. So, these are the ingredients: mozzarella cheese, oregano, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, pizza and pasta sauce, yellow capsicum vertically chopped, green capsicum finely chopped, and pizza base. Let's cook together. So here I took a pan on medium flame. I am putting 1 teaspoon of oil in it. This is sunflower oil I am using for sauteing the vegetables. So here I have added the onions. We'll saute it for 1 minute so that it gets cooked. After sauteing it for 1 minute, it's cooked. So we will remove it into another bowl. Now again I have added 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I am adding the finely chopped capsicum. We will saute it also for 1 minute. So after sauteing it for 1 minute, we will remove it into another bowl. And we will repeat the same process for all the veggies step by step. Now you can see again I have took 1 teaspoon of oil. Now I am adding the tomatoes that we have finely chopped. We will also saute them for 1 minute. So they have been cooked. Now it's time for the yellow capsicum that we have vertically chopped. Now as all the veggies were done, now I had took my pizza base. We will apply pizza and pasta sauce over it. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. We will spread it nicely all over the pizza base. Spread it generously. So the pizza sauce is spread. Now I am adding the veggies one by one. First I am adding onions. You all will be wondering that I have cooked the vegetables for making a pizza. The fact is that when we cook a tawa pizza, the veggies they remain some, you can say, raw. So to remove that rawness, we just cook them for 1 minute. Here I have added the tomatoes also. Now it's time for green capsicum. Now it's time for yellow capsicum. Now here I am adding 1 teaspoon of oregano all over the pizza. If you don't have oregano, you can skip this step. Now here I am adding mozzarella cheese. I will add half cup of mozzarella cheese. And spread it finely and generously all over the pizza. And if you don't have mozzarella cheese, you can use grated paneer too for making your pizza instead of mozzarella cheese. So here I am adding some chili flakes over it. It is 1/4 teaspoon. And I have also added some pizza and pasta sauce over it so that it looks some nice. Now here I took the pan with 1 teaspoon of oil in it again. It's on medium flame. Now we will place our pizza and cook it on low medium flame for 10 minutes with lid closed. So after cooking for 10 minutes, here I am opening the lid. Wow, what a nice pizza has come out. You can see the cheese has fully melted. So I took the pizza out in a plate. You can see how much nice it looks. Now I am cutting it. You can see how much cheesy it is. So our Tawa veggie pizza is ready. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can receive all my videos. Thank you.